Continuing to the solutions to the differential equation, the next method is homogeneous differential equation. So before going to see the solution of homogeneous differential equation, we need to know about the homogeneous function, right? So what is the homogeneous function? So let us suppose if f of x comma y is any function, so then f of kx comma ky is equal to k power n into f of x comma y, so is called the homogeneous function with the degree n ana, right? So we already seen this kind of thing. F of x comma y is equal to f of kx comma ky is equal to k power n into f of x comma y. So here n is called the degree of this homogeneous function, right? So coming to this homogeneous differential equation, so it is the form of like dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. So this x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree n. And one more thing, so let us suppose if this f of x comma y is a homogeneous function, సో దీని యొక్క డిగ్రీ అనేది జీరో ఉండాలి నాన్న. జీరో ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే అది మనకు హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అవుతుంది. సో మనము హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు, రైట్? సో మీన్ దట్, సో లెట్ us సపోజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వచ్చేసి ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ డివైడెడ్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ వై స్క్వేర్. సో నౌ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ homogeneous function?
2.
Degree of this homogeneous function 2.
0.
0. Very good. Why? Because so numerator nunchi k square common vastundi, denominator nunchi k square common vastundi, so both will get cancel, so remaining 1 is there, we can write it as k power 0, right? So మనము ఈ homogeneous differential equation సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా న్యూమరేటర్ డిగ్రీ అయితే ఉందో డినామినేటర్ డిగ్రీకి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి, రైట్? సో దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ ది solution. So now try to see how to solve these differential equations. So let us suppose you are giving an equation like dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. So here f of x comma y is a homogeneous function with the degree 0. So in this case what we are doing, we are converting this y in terms of v nana. So ఒక థర్డ్ వేరియబుల్ ని v అనుకుంటున్నాం చూడండి. Put y is equal to vx, then doing the differentiation with respect to x on both sides, that is with respect to y is dy by dx, that is equal to d by dx of v into x. So now if you apply the uv rule here, dy by dx is equal to v in differentiation of x with respect to x will become 1, that's why here it is v plus x into differentiation of v with respect to x, that is dv by dx, right? So ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ అంతా v ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ లో vx పెడుతున్నాము అండ్ dy by dx ప్లేస్ లో v ప్లస్ x dv by dx, రైట్? సో ఇప్పుడు మన ఎంటైర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఎంటైర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే v అండ్ x వేరియబుల్లకి కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది నాన్న, రైట్? సో నౌ ట్రై టు సీ హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. సో నౌ ట్రై టు సీ ద క్వశ్చన్. బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, టెల్ మీ వెదర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ homogeneous function or not. 2x minus y by x minus y. So this is a homogeneous function or not?
It is a homogeneous function, sir.
Yes, very good. It is a homogeneous function of degree
0.
0, right? So standard procedure, put y is equal to vx, and so if you take the derivative, so it will become dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, right? So in the place of dy by dx, I'm putting v plus x dv by dx, v plus x dv by dx, that is equal to 2x minus y is equal to what? Y is nothing but your vx, you need to substitute here vx, divided by x minus here y is nothing but again vx. So is there any common in the numerator?
X.
Yes, if you take the x common, so send this v to that side, just keep x dv by dx, that is equal to, if you take x common, it will come 2 minus v divided by 1 minus v. So x will get cancelled, and here plus v comes to this side, it will become minus v, right? So now take LCM here, what will become? LCM is 1 minus v, so it will come what? 2 minus v minus v into 1 minus v square v, it will come what? It is minus v plus v square. So now if you see on this side all the variables are v, this side x is there, so you can separate the variables, send this all v to that side and x to this side, so it will become 2 minus v, it will become minus 2v. You can rearrange it like 1 minus v divided by v square minus 2v, then what we have plus 2 into dv is equal to, so dx come to this side, it is multiplied, and x comes to this side, so it will come 1 by x, right? So now apply the integration. This is 1 minus v. So what is integration of 1 minus v by v square minus 2v plus 2? If you see, if you take the minus common here, it will become v minus 1 divided by v square minus 2v plus 2. This is dv is equal to 1 by x dx. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు డినామినేటర్ చూస్తే v square minus 2v plus 2 ఉంది. So what is the derivative of this? If you consider this as f of x, and then what is the derivative of this?
1/2 log of v minus 1.
Yes, tell me, if v square minus 2v is equal to 2 is a function, then what is the derivative of this? It is 2v minus 2, right? If you take 2 common, it is v minus 1 only. So just if you multiply with 2 in the numerator and divide by 2. So now if you see, the denominator is f of x and numerator is f dash of x, so it will become 1 by 2. What is the integration of f dash of x by f of x? That is log f of x. So log of v square minus 2v plus 2 is equal to, so this side it will come log x plus log c, that will become log of x into c. So if you send this minus 1 by 2, it will come here, then log will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? Minus, you have minus here, then so you send minus 1 by 2, it will become 1 by under root v square minus 2v plus 2 is equal to x into c. So now in the place of v, what you need to substitute? So y is equal to vx. From this, what v will become? This is y by x. So in final, you need to just substitute y by x as your v none. That is your answer, right? So basically, question is not coming from this because it is a lengthy procedure. Maybe some simple cases లో ఇంత lengthy procedure లేకుండా సింపుల్ కేసెస్ లో క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చేదానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది నాన్న. లాస్ట్ లో v ప్లస్ లో మనము y by x ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం, ఏదైతే మనం అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకున్నాం అంతే. సో ది ద స్టాండర్డ్ ప్రొసీజర్ దట్ వీఆర్. ఎందుకు ఇలా చేస్తున్నామంటే కినా, మనం ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్స్ సపరేట్ చేయలేము అనమాట, రైట్? Now try to see the next one. X square plus y square into dx is equal to 2xy dy. So it is not in the standard form. Just try to make into standard form. Dy by dx is equal to, what will become? X square plus y square divided by 2xy. Now tell me whether this is a homogeneous function or not.
Yes, sir, it is homogeneous function.
Yes, very good. Homogeneous function with the degree is 0, right? So standard procedure, y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, right? So substitute, what will become? X plus v plus x dv by dx is equal to, so in the place of y you need to substitute vx, right? So if you substitute vx, it will become v square x square. In the denominator, if you substitute in the place of y as vx, so it will become vx square. So from the numerator you can take x square common, right? So what is the remaining? If you take x square common, it will cancel from numerator and denominator. It is 1 plus v square divided by, it is simply 2v, right? So now send this v to that side. X dv by dx, that is equal to 1 plus v square divided by 2v minus v. So if you take the LCM is 2v, then 1 plus v square, so it will come minus 2v square, right? So what is 1 plus plus v square minus 2v square, it will come 1 minus v square divided by 2v. So now separate the variables. So it will become 2v by 1 minus v square into dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Right? So now apply the integration. So integration of 2v. So if just multiply minus, it will come, if you see the denominator is 1 minus v square, if you take the derivative of this, it will come minus 2v, that is there in the numerator. So now it will become minus log 1 minus v square is equal to, so log of xc. Right? So here if you send this minus 2 here, it will come minus 1. So then log will get cancelled. You will get 1 by 1 minus v square is equal to x into c. So in the final, just you need to substitute in the place of v as y by x. Right? Now try to see the next one. dy by dx is equal to y by x plus tan of y by x. చూడండి, బేసికల్గా మనము ఇందాక చూసిన మాదిరి ఇది కూడా ఒక హోమోజెనస్ ఫంక్షన్. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి, y బై ఎక్స్ ఉంది. సో న్యూమరేటర్ నుంచి మనకు కే పవర్ 1 కామన్ తీయచ్చు, డినామినేటర్ నుంచి కే పవర్ 1 కామన్ తీయచ్చు. సో కే పవర్ 0 అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో హోమోజెనస్ ఫంక్షన్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు vx, or if you want to make very clear here, that just v is equal to y by x. So y by x place లో మనము v ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. dy by dx we already know. So what is that? v plus x dv by dx, x dv by dx, right? So that is equal to y by x is nothing but v plus tan of v, right? So here plus v will get cancelled. So now if you substitute the variables, it will become tan comes to this side, it will come cot. So cot v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. So just apply the integration on both sides. It will come what? Integration of cot v, what is integration of cot? It is log of sin x plus c. Very good. So log of sin x, that is equal to here log of x into c, we can write basically. So both side log will get cancelled. So you will get sin x by x is equal to c is your answer. Right? So this kind of questions very simple గా వచ్చేసింది చూడండి. ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చేదానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది.